Back in Yodiville, it's Obioti bringing you a truck that drives upside down, and you can see the full story in the links to videos below.
Oh my gosh! What the heck?
No, your screen hasn't been turned upside down. This bizarre truck is built to look like it's been flipped.
Here goes a nun on the run. Big brothers can be a pain.
Jacob!
Here's a plane with engine trouble that had to land on the highway.
It was only raining in this one spot on the street and nowhere else in the city, which caused everyone to be confused. You can even see people walking by and then they stop to look up at the sky to figure out what's going on. One guy who saw this said he's now convinced we're in a simulation and it glitched.
Uh-oh. There it goes. Oh, there it goes.
This new slide closed after only 4 hours. Well, it's time to truck on out of here. See you next time in Yodiville. Bye.